Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Good Monday evening to you, Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. Hopefully you had a fantastic day out there today. It was really nice. I found it very nice driving in on I-70 today. You can see lots of sunshine, beautiful stuff. Those temperatures cooling off to 49 in Waynesburg, 53 in Cambridge. Those are typically the cooler spots on the map. A lot of us looking at the low to mid. And here in town, upper 60s. It's 67 in Wheeling, 63 in Steubenville, 65 in New Martinsville. So things cooling off. But yeah, it's looking pretty good out there tonight. It's going to be one of those nights where it's nice and quiet. The winds have backed off a little bit. We'll see those winds out of the south, if not southwest, anywhere from roughly about 5-10 miles an hour out there. And you can see they're getting that little southerly bend to them. So some spots even a little bit of calm wind. But bottom line is, as we have this southerly flow, we're warming things up. We were at 80 today. We're going to be a little warmer tomorrow. But we're also going to see a cold front approach, and as it does, we're going to have the threat for showers and some storms, little pockets of those flaring up tomorrow afternoon into the early evening. Right now, that looks pretty good. Just a couple of passing clouds, little false reflectivity on your Doppler radar out in Pittsburgh, and you can kind of see these clouds slowly inching to the east. And yep, as we look out towards Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, Columbus, clear skies there. That's on the way. Again, a couple of passing clouds here and there, but generally going to be dealing with mainly clear skies out there tonight. Not a bad one by any means. Might be able to open up those windows and let Mother Nature cool you off. Now, we are watching for a storm potential tomorrow, though. In the morning, the threat's going to be off to the west of us. We're going to have an elevated threat out that way. We get into the afternoon and evening, well, then it shifts into our area by the time we hit that mid to late afternoon time frame. I'm thinking that the best chance for strong storms is going to be about 4 to 10 o'clock tomorrow. And if you really want to narrow down to even more so, maybe 5 to 8. That's kind of how it's looking right now. Tune back. We're going to have more starting tomorrow on 7 this morning at starting at 5 a.m. So we'll have the latest on that. But the bottom line is we have the threat for some stronger storms. If we had a 1 out of 5 scale, it would be a 3, which is kind of right in the middle. And that's about the biggest threat we've had so far in our area this season. The biggest threat we're facing would be the threat for strong damaging winds. Large hail is not out of the question. If you get caught under any thunderstorms, some heavy rain could happen. The tornado threat, very low. It's not non-existent, but very, very low. Right now, at about 2% chance that any spot could see one. So not terribly concerned about that, more worried about the winds. Here's what it looks like tonight, though. You can see some passing clouds by tomorrow morning. We have a couple of those rolling through here through the morning hours. We're going to stop the clock here at 3. Shower storms knocking on the door. Pushes ahead towards 5, and you can see this line making its way across the area. Ahead towards 8, we keep some showers and storms around. Again, it's looking like about 4 to 10 is the best chance for that action. And again, we could see some strong damaging winds. We could see some large hail and heavy rainfall as well for the biggest threats. But you can see a couple of showers lingering early on Wednesday. After that, we should see a few breaks in the clouds later in the day, but it's going to be a little cooler as well. Breezy, warm tomorrow, showers and storms into the afternoon and evening. Some of those could be strong to severe with winds being the main threat. 73 tomorrow, or on Wednesday rather, with some early showers, and then another round of showers and some storms possible later in the day on Thursday, 83. Off and on rain at times on Friday. It doesn't rain straight through the week, but we're in and out of the rain, and then we see some early showers on Saturday with afternoon clearing, and it looks fantastic on Sunday and Monday.